God, guess who is going back to Abe's Lagos? Susan, aka Susu, aka the beautiful darling, aka your unapologetic creative, aka influencer Susu.
Now we understand.
Anyways, I'm going back to Lagos and I have my baggage and baggages here, and I have this baggage also. I have that baggage also. They're all going to Lagos with me. I have a lot to do. I got my CAC, guys. I got my CAC. So I want to go back and hustle, make enough money, and now travel again. This is my travel buddy. She's prepared to be sick of me because I got to take what? Take over.
We are traveling again. Me, I want to travel next week.
She's coming to Lagos. So hopefully by then we'll already have like roughly 200k and we'll go to Benin Republic.
More than what I calculated this morning for each person, like 300.
Hopefully we get by like 300k and we'll go to Benin Republic or Cross River State, which I'm not really interested, but let's just go and see how it goes. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. I can't wait to make money. Actually, that's the point. I am back to Lagos. Baby girl is back to Lagos and I'm about to get slim because I have a lot to do, and today is Monday, guys. I did not step out of my house. I did not, because I've just been under the weather. Tomorrow makes it a year that I lost my sister and it's just mentally draining. It is what it is. The day was productive because I was editing videos. I've edited 5 videos today. Today is 24th of July. I'll be stepping out to eat for the first time today. Oh yeah, I ate around 6 a.m. and it is 6 p.m. right now as I speak to you guys. So this is the only place that makes sense that is bright in this house, and the struggle of filming this particular vlog. There is a light here, there's a light here, and I'm also using my phone to film because anyways, I want to unbox this, and the electrician that is going to fix the light is coming tomorrow. There's just a lot happening in this house that I'm not understanding, but I have peace of mind and there is light. That makes me super duper happy. There have been lights since yesterday that I got back. There have been lights. Crazy. Anyways, I got my 𝐿 card, so I'm just going to box this here. I also want to, take care of my skin. I'm using this Neutrogena face wash right now, and I'm also using 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐴 face soap, the orange 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐴 face soap. I'm also using that, and I also got myself this Dr. Teal's scrub. Yeah, I got this in Ibadan. I'm sure you guys saw it in the previous vlog before this one. I got this and a lot more. I also got this 𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐵 B3 sauce. It's a serum for even skin tone. Sorry, uneven skin tone, okay? And because of the sunburn and everything that I have gone through throughout this whole trip, I had to jump on this one. It's a Korean brand, okay? So I'll try this out. If it works out, good. If it doesn't, on to the next. I don't know why they see it like this, but it's okay. I don't have to tear it. This is my card. This is my ATM card for OPay, and my name is clearly so cute. The next thing I'll be unboxing is my new shoe, a gift, which is such a thoughtful gift because, guys, I'm a tomboy, okay, and I'm not so big on heels. I'm not like a full tomboyish, I don't know, in between, but this is thoughtful. I've always wanted a strap heels, and I got this. Thank you so much. Thank you. I just got my hair from Big's Hair Pimp. Okay, I'm losing my hair, guys. So I have this one and this one and this one. They're not new hair. I just gave her to help me revamp it. Ooh, baby girl. Gani knows this work. Hello, hello. My friend is good. I mean, look at this. Pretty, pretty. It's giving luxury. You guys remember when I gave her this hair in my returning vlog or something? I can't remember. And this one. I gave her this hair since 1st of June. Yes, on the 1st of June. Because I remember that was the day I paid for this house. Since then, today is July, gonna go 28 or 29, I don't know. That's when I'm collecting this hair. Imagine 2 months later. Yeah. Please patronize my friend. Patronize my friend, okay? Thank you.
Paper. And paper, standing filler.
To make it smooth.
Make it smooth. Take time for that to do. This one costed than that one, but
This one is how much now?
this one lasts is 120.
120.
Yeah. You have a side drawer.
You have a what?
Oh,
it's coming with a side.
One side drawer.
Just one.
Yeah. But if you want to.
But that other one now, can you do like a side drawer?
This one.
Oh, this one, yes.
Why not?
Okay. So with the side drawer, how much?
With the side drawer, I can give you $90.
So do you do like this mirror?
Mirror frame, dressing mirror.
Eh?
Dressing mirror.
Dressing mirror, yes. Juicy stuff. Ew. Lucky people cannot relate. Are you? Don't know who do this. So hey guys, I bought this what's it called? This ice cream, and it's supposed to expire on the 8th of September, which is my birthday actually. Look at, it's so messed up, and because I was on a trip for 3 weeks, it was inside the freezer. They did not at any point take the lights. There was lights all through. So I really don't understand. Have you guys tried this ice cream before? Let me know, because I'm not understanding. And this thing was about close to 3,000 naira. I bought it from ShopRite 𝐿. It's annoying.
So I went to see my baby girl who I haven't seen in over a year.
What, you know the boss? Hey, my hands go outside. My hands. Hey, this girl is show my hands to the world. You need it, right?
Vicky, my lost. Actually, don't finish.
You don't see my hands. Don't see me. Oh.
My love, she did perfect, guys. Come and buy. Come and buy what you are selling. You are promote yourself.
I'm selling perfect. Come.
Can just get.
You can look with.
You sure?
that. Oh my God, like this. You dey see your clearly so.
What the fire you? Come fire.
Sorry,
One
my
man
love.
just helping you.
Oh, yeah, go inside.
Go.
Abẹ́rẹ́ gbọ́lẹ̀. You dey enjoy you? Idea. Happy. For this kind of weather. Only you call what to beat it though. Ó ṣe bá mi. Èwo ló pé 15. Ele kọ́?
15.
Méjèèjì báyìí 15. Àwọn ilé tó ní square ńkọ́?
1000.
Ó pọ̀. Inshallah. Èló ni? Èló ni kékeré, èló ni ńlá? Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
A ti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè fún ọ̀nà ìjálẹ̀. Jálẹ̀ mọ̀.
Ó bèrè.
Tábà ti tẹ kíní pineapple. Tábà ti tẹ kíní pineapple yẹn èsì ti tàn ní. Ẹ ti rí pineapple. Èsì ló wà nù ẹ̀. Kò dẹ̀ wọ́n ju 2000 náà ni. Ẹ tútù bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́nu.
Ṣé mi ní màkà ni?
Ṣé báyọ̀ kọ́ owó ni ẹ lè kọ́ máa yọ jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan?
Mi ì lè yọ jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Èló wà bẹ́ẹ̀?
15.
Ọ̀tàrin. Ọ̀pọ̀ ọmọ Ibo ní sá.
Ó yá ó kún 500.
Títọ́ bá fi ẹ̀rọ kọ̀ọ̀kan níwájú.
Ṣé bóun rèé ṣé mo máa parọ́ ni?
Àjàlá. Láti China, wọ́n kó wà ní òròjú àti lọ́kọ̀ wọn.
Ṣé Footmat?
Kò gánlẹ̀ ta yìí. Ọjà China kọ́ rèé.
Wọ́n jẹ́ ìjọ fún náà lẹ́yìn.
Ẹ̀yin fún ẹ̀ kàdé. How much is it? 500. Mix more nylon like this.
They add the mortar. No go say small.
No, it's this small nylon.
No, it's not small.
I'm going to drill.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6,700.
For small nylon.
Thank you, sir.
Here is our seller.
papi.
People should come and buy for him.
Our papi.
He's a nice guy. Your papi for?
Our papi. They call you mommy, and they call him papi.
No, your papi for you. How you want to? Hey, hello, Liba. 1,000. Hello, what? You know what? I'm bringing it back.
So network in my house was a struggle. I had to come outside to get a Wi-Fi, and I would have gotten this MTN because it's 5G, but MTN does not work in my house.
How much is your router? This one, 30.
Honestly, I regret not getting the Airtel router. It would have made more sense than what I ended up buying. Guys, I bought SpectraNet.
13,000, how is it? 45.
And this one important.
The one for 10,000 comes with 15. And then the good thing about it is that we do month, like every other day, or like every 3 days, we do 100% bonus. So if you are recharging for 3,750 for instance, you get 20 gigs. With 5,000 you get 30 gigs. 100% bonus. You get your whatever you're recharging.
This was the biggest mistake I've made in Lagos since I arrived in Nigeria. Honestly, getting SpectraNet is not something I would advise anybody. The fact that this woman was even using me to call the love of her life was the most annoying part. But hey, you guys kindly let me know in the comment section which company do you think is best for Wi-Fi in Lagos, because at this point The network problem I've been battling since I moved into this apartment have been affecting me mentally, and it has been making me so unproductive. I have turned down a lot of jobs, I've turned down a lot of collaborations because I don't have good network. I mean, how do I upload the videos? How do I do all of that? I could barely even edit my videos because of that. So please let me know in the comment section below which is the best network provider in Lagos. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Bye.